Hey guys, today I will show you how you can easily replace the stabilizer bushings on the front of the BMW E39. First, you turn the wheel to one side, the one you are going to start to work with. And these are all the tools you'll need to do the job. The ratchet with 6mm Allen key, but make sure you got a little bit longer one because it needs to go inside some small gap before you can reach the bolt. 13mm spanner, some screwdrivers and a set of sockets. Make sure that your car stays flat on the ground. You won't need to jack it up, but you'll need to lay down on the floor to access the bushing. So the bushing is located right over here. That's the one. Alright, grab yourself a 6mm Allen key with a torque wrench, and there's two nuts. One over here, one over here, and you undo them. You need another spanner to keep the nut from not turning. Alright, these are out. Take the other one. Alright, the other one's out as well. And now all you need to do is you need to slide it off. You slide off the part which holds down the bushing, and now the bushing can be moved off. Flip it upside down and then it's easy to remove. That's it. It is off. And it's split in the middle on the top. So now put the new one in. And before you put the new one on, get some rag or some paper tissue and you wipe the shaft clean. First, you put it in upside down, you split it, put it on, and then we'll turn it to the right position. The same way we removed. It is on, let's lift it up. Now it is in the right position. Now we need to put the cap on. You need to make sure that it sits in the middle of the bushing, that it's not slided out. And also one tip, you never grease over here. It needs to be assembled dry. And let's put the bolts back in. That's it, one side done. For your info, when you remove the one stabilizer bush, you need to make sure that what's the size of it, what's the size of your stabilizer. Either you can do that in the online OEM catalog or by removing the existing one. So this is the one we removed. It's 22.5 the diameter, and the new one has the same diameter. Same dealio on the other side. Turn the wheel to the other side. So that's the one over here. There is some plastic attached to it, so you need to undo that. So now you have better access. Same thing, 6mm Allen key from underneath and a 13mm nut on the top. Right, the cap is off. And it's out. Wipe it clean. Okay, it's back in. Time to reinstall the bolts. You have successfully replaced the stabilizer bushings.